Hi guys, today I will explain how to find Voice Lab in ElevenLabs. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the browser in your computer which you are using. The next thing is head over to the ElevenLabs website. And as you can see, I am on the homepage. Again, make sure you have signed in the correct account in which you want to find the voice library. The next thing is, take a look on the left side of my computer. You will see a lot of options. Like the first one is text to speech. Next is voice change and voices. And the fourth one is sound effects. From these options, you have to look for this one, voices. Once you find, click on it and scroll down. This one is the voice library ElevenLabs, where you will get all the voices. And also, if you want to use them, simply click on the option use. But these voices are not enough in a lab. Now, time to check the real library. Take a look here. You will see the option, My Voice and Library. Simply click on this option, Library. Here are all the voices which are available, and some of these are paid. You cannot use these in your free account. For using these, you have to purchase the account. You can also search for a specific voice and also can check the trending, latest, most character generated. The next one is the language. You can also look for language. The next thing is accent. Once you choose the language, like I am choosing this, then the accent option will be enabled and click on it. And here is the accent. If you want to use ElevenLabs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel. And it was the way by which you can check the voices in ElevenLabs.